So I went to the Dollar Tree to pick up these candlesticks, glass candlesticks for my centerpieces, and decided to make my own centerpiece because, you know, wedding stuff is outrageous in price and I'm not trying to pay that for a few hours on a table. So I took those and got some Gorilla Glue at Home Depot, and I glued 2 together and let those dry overnight, and then I glued those 2 onto 2 others. See, I made it really tall. All right. Yeah. So now that that was glued together and let that sit overnight, so pretty, so sparkly, I took a 6-inch styrofoam ball and these wooden flowers I got from a company called Sola. They were the colors of our wedding, and I did a glue gun and just glued these flowers right onto that styrofoam ball until you couldn't really see the styrofoam at all. I left the bottom open because I did put moss at the bottom, but let's see what it looked like at the wedding. Voila.